Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered why some women effortlessly captivate men without chasing, pleading, or even trying? It's not magic, it's a mindset. In this video, I'm going to reveal the one powerful trait that instantly draws men in and keeps them hooked. And it has nothing to do with looks or charm. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. There's an undeniable allure and mystery, an independence that draws men in like a moth to a flame. Why? Because mystery is not about playing games or being elusive, it's about maintaining a sense of individuality that cannot be easily unraveled. When a woman holds space for her own thoughts, passions, and purpose, she creates an aura of intrigue that demands admiration. It's the kind of energy that makes a man stop and think, who is she? What drives her? What's her story? Independence, on the other hand, is the cornerstone of respect. Men are naturally wired to value someone who stands tall on their own, someone who doesn't rely on external forces to define her worth. An independent woman sends a silent message, I am enough as I am, and I choose to share my life, not give it away. This balance of mystery and independence keeps relationships vibrant. It challenges a man to continuously invest effort, curiosity, and admiration into the connection. The truth is, when a woman confidently walks her own path, she becomes unforgettable. She isn't afraid of solitude because she knows her strength is rooted within. And when a man sees this strength, it inspires him to respect her on a deeper level, not just as a partner, but as a person. In her detachment lies her power, the ability to be present without losing herself, a quality that men find irresistibly attractive. Confidence is magnetic and self-worth is transformative. Together they create an aura that is impossible to ignore. When a woman practices detachment, she demonstrates these traits in their purest form. Detachment doesn't mean she lacks care or interest, it means she values herself enough to let go of the need for constant reassurance. This quiet confidence speaks volumes. It says, I am comfortable in my own skin. I am enough whether or not someone else validates me. Men are inherently drawn to this energy because it signals strength. A confident woman who knows her worth doesn't chase, she attracts. She doesn't seek approval because she's already given it to herself. This inner assurance allows her to engage in relationships from a place of choice rather than need, and that independence fosters mutual respect. Moreover, detachment creates space for balance in relationships. Men don't feel smothered or pressured when a woman maintains her sense of self. Instead, they feel inspired by her ability to stay grounded and true to her values. This kind of dynamic cultivates admiration because it's not rooted in dependency but in partnership. In a world where so many seek external validation, a woman who exudes confidence through detachment stands apart. She becomes a beacon of strength, someone who commands respect and admiration simply by being at peace with herself. This is the essence of true self-worth, and it's undeniably attractive. Inner peace is one of the most powerful qualities a person can cultivate. When a woman prioritizes her well-being and individuality, she radiates an unshakable calmness that becomes her strongest allure. Men are naturally drawn to this energy because it reflects a sense of stability and self-mastery. In a world filled with chaos, a woman who embodies peace becomes a refuge, a grounding presence that is as rare as it is irresistible. Prioritizing inner peace means letting go of unnecessary drama, fear of abandonment, and the need for constant validation. A woman who values her peace will not tolerate toxic relationships or cling to situations that disturb her balance. Instead, she chooses connections that align with her values and contribute to her sense of harmony. This decisiveness showcases her strength and sets her apart. When individuality comes into play, it amplifies her magnetism. A woman who knows herself, her passions, and her purpose is a force of nature. She doesn't lose her identity in a relationship, she nurtures it. This individuality inspires curiosity and admiration because it signals that her life is full and meaningful with or without a partner. Together, inner peace and individuality create a dynamic that captivates anyone who encounters it. She becomes the woman who doesn't just exist in a relationship but enhances it. Men are drawn to her not because she needs them, but because her presence enriches their lives. Her ability to prioritize her peace and individuality sets the foundation for a healthy, balanced connection, one that is built on respect and mutual admiration. Ultimately, this woman becomes unforgettable. She is the embodiment of strength, serenity, and authenticity, qualities that make her magnetic to those around her. In prioritizing herself, she creates a love that is powerful and deeply fulfilling.